Welcome to a Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert any photo to PDF file easily. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Google Play Store on your smartphone. In the search bar, type Image to PDF Converter. Once you search, you'll see an app called Image to PDF, PDF Maker. Go ahead and install this app on your phone. After the installation is complete, open the app. On the main screen, you'll see an option called Image to PDF. Tap on it. The app will now ask for permissions. Tap Allow All so the app can access your phone's gallery. Now, your phone's photo gallery will open within the app, and you'll be able to see all the images stored on your device. Select the photos you want to convert into a PDF. Once you've selected the images, tap on the Import button at the bottom. You'll now see all your selected images listed. Tap on Done, then press OK when prompted. If you want to change the order of the images, you can rearrange them at this stage. Now, tap on the Convert to PDF button. You'll be asked to give your PDF file a name. Enter a name of your choice, and then tap on Convert. That's it. Your selected images have now been converted into a PDF file. To access the file, open your File Manager app. You'll find the saved PDF file there. From this screen, you can open it, view it, or even share it directly with others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials.